What I really like about this DBPOWER Smart Projector is it has a ton of apps built in. Now it seems to have its own custom OS that's built on top of maybe Android TV or something like that. If you've used Android TV, then this will be very familiar, but the OS certainly does have a different navigation and menu. So I think they made a lot of really nice customizations to this projector. An interesting thing about the OS is you don't need to log into anything to download any of the apps. So for example, I wanted to use Plex, so I just went over to Plex, downloaded it, and that was just fine. I didn't have to log into the Google Play Store or anything like that. Same with YouTube and YouTube Kids. I just went ahead and downloaded it. They all work just fine. This is a sponsored video, so I don't want to share too much of my opinion. I'll just kind of walk you through the features and show you how I've been using this. Once you turn on the projector, it takes you to the main screen where you can browse through some of the suggested movies or TV shows that show up there. And then when you press OK to select the item, it will take you to the corresponding app that you need to either open or download to watch that movie or TV show. One thing of note, when you need to focus the projector, the only way you can do it is with the remote control. The projector itself doesn't have any buttons other than this power button, but it does have HDMI and it has USB if you want to put files on USB. Also has an audio jack, but there's a built-in speaker that works perfectly fine, especially if you're pretty close to it. You can also connect via Bluetooth to another device. The first time I used this, I was camping outside with my boys and I used Plex, and I was actually able to stream over Wi-Fi. I was kind of surprised because we were outside in our backyard. We were pretty far away, but this has great Wi-Fi signal, so that wasn't an issue at all. You can use this in the daytime if you're close enough to the wall. If you're far back where you have a really big projection, you will need it to be fairly dark to see very well. This provides a lot of menu options. I'm not going to go over everything, but it has things like screensaver where you can adjust the keystoning. Now with the keystoning, I went to turn on auto keystoning, and when I did that, it asked if I wanted to update. So I updated the projector. So it's nice to know that they are pushing out updates to this. After the projector restarted, I turned on auto keystoning. It did a little bit of keystoning, but it wasn't good enough for what I needed. So it had a 4-point keystoning that worked really well for me. It's really easy to get the exact picture frame that you want. But I think overall, my favorite thing about it is just how simple it is to download an app and to open the app and just navigate that way. It's a really simple projector to use. If you want to cast from your smartphone to the projector, you can do that as well. So if you have like a presentation or something on your phone and you just want to show it real quick, really simple and easy to do with this projector. Generally, I've been really happy with the image quality. I have noticed, especially if you point this at an angle and you do some keystoning, then when you focus the projector, the center is going to be completely in focus, but around the edges, it does tend to get a little bit blurry. But when I've watched movies on this, it's not really noticeable. I've only noticed it with text. You can see the projector is fairly small and lightweight. It does come with its own carrying case, so it's easy to tote around or take around to other places. And it does come with this remote. And again, you need the remote to do keystone adjustments or to do focusing, so you don't want to lose the remote. Overall, my family's been really happy with this. We've had a lot of fun watching movies on this.